everybody, welcome to XYZ 3D Printing. I'm your host, Jason Wilson.
I'm Edward.
And you guys remember Edward from last time. He was the guy making the Iron Man suit. We are going to be co-hosting this show together.
That's right.
Yeah. So you guys, today we have a really cool product for you. This is the Vinci Jr.
And the previous model is the Vinci, and Jr. is like, pins is smaller, right?
It's smaller. And it weighs less. It's so cute, look at it. Very cute.
Very quiet.
It is very, very quiet. So it's perfect if you're doing a 3D project at home. It's not gonna wake up the kids, it's not gonna wake up the neighborhood. So yeah, there are a lot of really cool things about it. But actually, Edward, because you're so familiar with 3D printing, I would like, yeah, you are, don't lie, it's all right.
Fine.
But anyway, I would like for you to introduce some of the features that you find particularly interesting.
Actually, I printed some little models from it, and there's two things I want to mention. It's the filament. Actually, I'll lift the case up here. You can see the filament is right here. Unlike other machines in the market, they usually put the filaments in the back of the machine, so it's very hard to get at. It's very lightweight, so it's very maneuverable, and you can just get the filaments right here. And there also, I'd like to mention that there's a motor here. It's you can just stick the filament right in the motor, and it just feeds itself.
Cool.
Yeah, very cool.
Nice.
And other thing is the extruder head here. Normally people wouldn't notice it, but if you're doing a lot of model making, and normally you would like to have the extruder here very clean, so you have to clean it all over again. You can see it's very easy to detach. So a model like this, in its price, they wouldn't usually have a case, but this does. So when you have a case and you want to clean the extruder head, normally it would be very hard to get into the machine.
Right.
You can just take this thing right off, so it's very easy to maintenance.
Cool. Instead of going in there with like a toothbrush and trying to get it unclogged. Very cool. Another really cool thing that I like about a feature on this is the heat bed. For some of you guys who are getting into 3D printing, you'll soon discover that the heat bed is a little bit annoying to clean. You spray an adhesive on there and it keeps the model from collapsing or moving around. But what's cool is that it comes with a film and you can reuse it. And when you're done with it, you just take it off and just put a new one on there. So it's really convenient and there's no cleaning necessary.
It's not very sticky actually. You can just take it right off. Yeah, don't worry about anything.
Yeah. Oh, and another thing that is actually a really important point for most people when they buy a 3D printer is the quality. Actually, the quality, if you can, yeah, it's pretty good. It's very, very comparable to other 3D printers that are the same price, if not more expensive. Yeah. Dude, what's going on with the corn?
Oh, the corn. Oh, because the material is actually PLA. They were made from the corn, so it's biodegradable, so it's environmentally friendly and not toxic.
Cool, that's awesome. Yeah, so it's safe, it's convenient, it's portable, it's light, and I also want to mention that it is affordable as well. You can find it on most websites for around $350.
Well, and if you're interested, you can check out their website at xyzprinting.com.
Yeah, and in the future, we're going to have other videos as well of future guests who are using 3D printers and the ways that they're using it and different ideas that you can get from it. And also, we're going to be featuring new products as well. So please subscribe to our channel.
Well, and thanks for watching.
Yeah, and we'll catch you next time.
Hi there, Ben Maloof here to introduce the LulzBot Mini 2 3D printer. Our engineering teams have been hard at work here in Colorado, and I'm excited to go over all the upgrades that make the LulzBot Mini 2 our best printing, easiest to use, and most reliable 3D printer ever. Now, if you're already a fan of the LulzBot Mini, you'll be happy to know that everything you love is still here. Legendary LulzBot versatility, reliability, and ease of use, the rugged powder-coated aluminum frame, and of course the carry handle. But while it may look very similar on first glance, there's a ton of new innovation to talk about here, so let's get into the features. The first obvious feature change is the LCD screen. This means the LulzBot Mini 2 is tetherless out of the box with no need to be connected to a computer to operate the machine. Just put your G-code onto the included SD card, pop it in the printer, and select your file from the LCD menu. Next up, let's talk about the re-engineered and innovative belt drive Z-axis. The benefits? First of all, speed, which really makes a difference when starting a new print or making manual axis adjustments. But the big benefit of the belt drive is in print quality. No lead screws, no potential for Z-banding. The next two obvious changes are the tool head and the print bed. The Mini 2's Aero Extruder V2 tool head is powered by a genuine E3D Titan Aero extruder and hot end, and features a powerful part cooling fan with 4-way ducting. This gives you acclaimed E3D hot end quality and extrusion accuracy, and allows you to print both rigid materials and flexibles up to 290 degrees Celsius. The heated bed is capable to 120 degrees Celsius and features a reversible borosilicate glass and PEI print surface, which simplifies maintenance and makes it easy to experiment with different substrates. Another thing you may have noticed is the noise, or lack thereof. Thanks to the Trinamic TMC 2130 stepper drivers on the INC Retro control board, the Mini 2's motors run much quieter than on any printer we've ever built before, which makes it a great addition to classrooms, libraries, and offices. Like all LulzBot 3D printers, the Mini 2 is built here in Loveland, Colorado, and comes with a 1-year warranty and our renowned technical support. Extended warranties are also available. Just ask a LulzBot sales associate for details. We're extremely proud of the LulzBot Mini 2, and we know it'll make a valuable addition to your shop, office, or classroom. If you want more great LulzBot content, please make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.
I'm Bree Pettis, CEO of MakerBot, and today it is my distinct pleasure to present to you the latest addition to the MakerBot 3D ecosystem. The new MakerBot Replicator desktop 3D printer is 5th generation technology that's setting the standard in reliability, quality, and connectivity. It's our fastest and easiest to use printer yet. It's powered by the intuitive and easy to use MakerBot 3D platform. Software and firmware designed to work seamlessly together. The MakerBot Replicator is cloud and app enabled. That means you can connect to it however you want, phone, a tablet, or your desktop computer. Let's talk about some of the features of the desktop 3D printer. First up, the MakerBot Smart Extruder. It's got a brain, so it can alert you when it needs you to swap out and put in more filament. It sends you a message and allows you to continue making a model, whereas before you would have had to just start all over. Another amazing feature is the 3.5-inch full-color LCD display. The user interface for this display is this knob. And we modeled this knob on high-end stereo systems. You're going to be able to use this display to access your entire model library and choose what you want to make. 100-micron layer resolution means that you can make things that just look amazing and blow people's minds. You also have the freedom to choose between a fast draft or a very high-quality, high-resolution model. The MakerBot Replicator build volume is 456 cubic inches. One of the things that the onboard camera allows you to do is remote monitoring. That means you can go pour yourself a cup of tea and while you're doing it, check the status of your 3D model. It also is a very powerful tool for sharing. The machine can snap a picture for you, and that makes it easy for you to share your model on Thingiverse and other social networks. We have upgraded the gantry on this machine into a configuration that's in the shape of the letter H. We've also sprinkled some sugar on the motion control system so that it goes faster and smoother. We've taken the guesswork out of leveling your build platform with the assisted leveling procedure. The machine helps you do the leveling process, which means you get to printing faster, easier, and with less stress than ever before. It's powerful enough for professionals and affordable enough for everyone. We can't wait to see what you'll make.
We took the world's best-selling SLA 3D printer and made it even better. Introducing the Form 2. Powered by a precision optical engine, the Form 2 creates laser-sharp prints with beautiful detail. With a larger build volume and smarter technology, the Form 2 is designed for performance. Now you can create perfect prototypes right on your desktop. We've redesigned the way we print. A new peel mechanism, a wiper, and a heated resin tank work together so you can print parts not possible on other machines. An integrated resin system adds materials automatically. With wireless connectivity, sending prints to your machine is simple. The Form 2 is built for collaboration. You can monitor progress, receive notifications, or easily share your printer with your team. Engineered for precision, designed for reliability. The Form 2. The most advanced desktop 3D printer ever created.